What's up, guys? Today I'm coming at you with a tutorial. This one is gonna be teaching you how to open a box fan. Um, as you can see here, this is a box fan that's laying on my bed here. Um, and you'll need a screwdriver. Well, this is a butter knife. I mean, you could use that as a screwdriver. As long as you got something that like could get into the pits of the screws. So, all right, let's get started. All right. Oh, and by default, like when you first get your box fan, yeah, just to warn you that you're gonna have to hold down and like hard. There we go. Oof. Yeah, this is gonna take some time. Yeah, yeah, screws can be difficult to get out of in a box fan because uh, yeah, sorry if this is gonna take a while. These screws they're so into like into the lid there that something you have to basically you have to like press down hard enough and then screw instead of just I mean when I first done this I've had some difficulty doing it. All right, so let's see here. Oh yeah, so I got the screw out. Um, what you're gonna need is a container, so that way you won't lose the screws. All right, so that's where the screw is gonna be stored. All right, now let's do. By the way, on this box fan, you got a total of 6 screws. Um, I mean, the reason why I have an easier time getting the screws out now than when I first did it was because what I did was I made sure that like the screws are only tight enough to like fasten the lid and other components and Yeah, this is gonna take a little while, so you're gonna have to be patient. Yeah, people that manufactured the box fans, I mean, what they did was they made the tightness like pretty high, so you'd have a significantly harder time. Okay, I guess I didn't. It's not loose enough yet. Yeah, I'm trying to see if it's loose enough for me to use my hands to take it out. Otherwise, I'll have to keep using um, my object here. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, just this is just to let you know that I've done a tutorial something similar to this to how to open a computer case which unfortunately I deleted the video because it was getting a crap ton of dislikes. So um I mean generally what I do, I mean if the video is getting a lot of dislikes and not a whole lot of likes, then what I do is I just get rid of it because there's no sense in having it up if it's just gonna get a lot of dislikes. So um, but I mean I want to see. Yeah, sorry if I haven't spoken in a while. It's just that I'm busy trying to get the screw out. Okay, so I've basically gotten 4 screws out. On this box fan, there's a total of 6 screws, and right now I only have 2 left. I think think the bottom ones are going to be the pain, but I'm not giving up. Man, my hand is getting tired, but I'm gonna keep trying though, because I am not giving up just yet. Only until after I'm finished, then I'll quit. Okay, this is the last screw. Well, I have to say though, you know they always say if you want to get rid of the screws on a machine, you know you'd have to use a screwdriver, or something you could use as a screwdriver, like a knife or something. It would have to be a metal knife though. It can't be. I don't think a plastic knife would work well. I mean, if you want to try it, I mean, go ahead. But I personally would not recommend you using a plastic knife because I mean, chances are, it's gonna break and then it wouldn't be good. So, okay, that's the last of it. You see? So this is how you open up a box fan. So it's very interesting. Interesting tutorial, I think. I mean, it's really not that difficult. All you need to do is identify the screws, and then once you find them, you just need some sort of an item where you could actually, unscrew the screws. I mean, you could use like a screwdriver. You could use a knife. I mean, as long as it's metal, not plastic. And anyway, as you can see here, I mean, I know I've already shown you this, but I mean, if you wanna if you want to get the other lid off the box fan, I mean, it's the same procedure. All you have to do is just unscrew the screws from the other lid, and then the other lid will be off too. But for this tutorial, I'm only taking one lid off the fan. Well, fan. I don't know why I said fan. Oh man, I'm getting my fans mixed up there. You know, the benefit of like opening up a box fan, which I mean, it's like opening up a computer case. Um, I mean, it's useful so that way, if there's any dust that you want to get rid of, which I would highly recommend you do that because I mean, when dust gets in your bedroom, it might cause some like allergies and stuff like that. So you definitely want to clean that stuff out before it keeps building up. So, anyways, If you enjoyed this episode, be sure you hit the like button. If you want to share this with other people, please do. I know if you didn't see my face earlier, I mean, or my eyes, I apologize for it. Anyways, I hope all of you have a good day, and I'll see you guys later.